That hail is gonna break our window yet. Listen to that. Look what it's like outside. Look at that hail. Our car is taking a beating. All the hail stopped now mostly. Yeah.
Hey, we got water. Grab towels.
Where? So, our car is taking a beating, and it's raining so hard that there's actually water
Pouring under the couch.
pouring into our house. It's raining that hard against our house. Seems like it's calming down now a bit, though. At least the hail, anyways. The hail has calmed down a bit. Look at this. You can't see it, but the boys are just sleeping right through it. The hail is all melted already. It's insane. It's still raining pretty hardcore though. That looks awesome. According to the weather radar, it's supposed to be the worst in about half an hour. According to the radar anyways. It's supposed to get a lot worse. This lady right here is pretty scared.
Were you not here 2 minutes ago?
I thought it was cool. I wonder how the GoPro is going to turn out. Turning the light on probably doesn't help the GoPro, but it's okay.
That first bang is gonna haunt me for years.
The first lightning that went off.
There's a water puddle here.
The first lightning that went off, or the thunder I should say. Elisa was sitting right here by the window. And it banged, and she was over there on the couch with me so fast.
It's not funny.
Chica won't leave her side. She's terrified. And according to the radar, we're supposed to get hit really hard in about 10 minutes. 10:40. So yeah, like 6 more minutes. 6 minutes. And we're supposed to get hit really hard. But I'm going to turn the light back off so that the GoPro can pick up most of it. Bye. Weather Network. Bum 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 bum. Go on down to the radar. Zoom in to where we're at. Try to focus this right there. Whoop. Right here. 10:20. We're in the red zone, and it is like 10:35 right now. 10:50. Yeah. The worst is supposed to be like right now. And it's already calmed down out there quite a bit.
You said there's so much water, it's coming up to David's work truck.
But yeah, it's pretty safe to say that we're gonna have to be making a hail claim tomorrow on the car.
Yeah.
It was coming down hard, like.
I was worried the windows were all gonna break. No joke.
Yeah. We can't bring the car inside because Elisa had a garage sale today and she's gonna have one tomorrow too. So everything is just kind of shoved into the garage so we can pull it back out tomorrow, and now there's a thunderstorm, so we have nowhere to put the car, so it can't even be safe right now. But after that hail, we're making a claim tomorrow because like these living room windows, I was actually wondering if it was going to smash the window. It is 6:30 in the morning now. I wanted to see how damaged our car is, if it is at all. Right there, you can see right there. You can see one there. And another one there. Look how close together those are. The whole hood is like that. Right there. See about my finger there? I'm gonna move the camera like that. Yeah, those, when you just look at it like this, you can't even see it. But the whole car is covered in indents like that. So I guess today we're going to be making a hail claim. That hail spread a large part of Manitoba, so I'm sure MPI is getting a lot of calls today. But anyway, I need to get my butt to work, so